It's no secret that Sebastian Vettel and Mick Schumacher already share a great special bond between them. Their common nationality and Michael Schumacher especially bonded the two even before Mick started racing in Formula 1. And now Mick has spoken about how Sebastian is helping him to grow in his first season of Formula 1 by giving several important advices. He said, "I have a huge respect for him, and obviously I think that we can call that a friendship, which is very nice for me. He has got so much experience and there are so many things that I can learn from him. I think the biggest advice he gave me is really to just never forget why I am here, and that's because we love the sport. Once you lose that, you are in the wrong place. So I am enjoying my life. I am doing the best thing in the world. I think that it's great to have somebody like him giving me advice here and there." Later, he also talked about the relationship between his new team and himself. "The team is a big part of my development, but it's also a big part of my confidence. I take that confidence from the team that they are giving me. They have a huge trust in us as drivers. I have a huge trust in my team. That bond is building on a very steep level at the moment, and that is going to make those time differences at the end, where you will always find that extra bit of lap time because you have such a strong connection to the team." Bottas used negative desktop image as motivation. Their team principal Toto Wolff said, "You could always place a photo of that person in the calendar or on the desk, and every time there is a little lack of motivation, you look at these people. Everyone is free to do it. Of the people I work with, I keep seeing such photos pop out. It's good. It's called enemy building, and it's a powerful psychological weapon. As for me, I have two photos that I always carry with me, and that are on my desktop. Neither of the two people has anything to do with Formula 1 or with racing altogether. It's about business." Flexi wings won't be a game changer at all in the Baku Formula 1 race. Frederick Vasseur believes teams running in Formula 1's disputed flexi wings will not enjoy a huge performance gain in Baku, saying it won't be a game changer at all. Ocon leaves talks with Alpine over new Formula 1 contract to management. He said, "For the moment I am focusing on the track more than anything else, and I let my management side to do the job on the contract." Red Bull won't open contract talks with Perez before summer break. Red Bull will not begin talks with Sergio Perez over a new contract with the team until Formula 1 summer break at the earliest, according to Helmut Marko. Norris can take McLaren to the top in Formula 1. Ferrari driver Carlos Sainz believes former teammate Lando Norris can take McLaren to the top in Formula 1 after signing a long-term contract with the British squad. Mercedes expects difficult weekend in Baku too. Toto Wolff assumes that we are facing a difficult weekend in Baku too, which should not match the characteristics and the properties of the W12 very well. Special grandstands for vaccinated people in Monza. The organizers of Formula 1 race in Monza are planning special grandstands for vaccinated people in order to achieve a high occupancy rate.
Hey guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.